Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert telemark in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to insert the telemark in PowerPoint, there is easy and simple way. You can try this method. Firstly, double click anywhere, then insert and equation. Now type this bar with shift 4 times. Adjust the size, the home tab, and insert. Then select the shape, line. Press and hold shift key and draw your line. Now double click on this line or click on shape format, shape outline, weight, and select your desired size. And change the color for this shape. So in the weight, like 15, select this all and make the same color like this. And here you make the round edge. So cap type, select rounded and select this all by pressing Control. The home tab, find out the group or right click and just select the group. Now click anywhere and you can keep anywhere in your document. Also, you can use this telemark in Microsoft Word, Excel. You can make the picture for this one. So right click and just click on Save as Picture. And you can use this telemark in Microsoft Word also. Insert and select that picture. Same you can use telemark in Excel once you created in the PowerPoint. So easy and quick way guys. Just select the equation and I will show you in on screen keyboard. Here is the key, this one, near the enter. This is the vertical bar symbol. So shift type 3, 4 or 6 times. Make sure you have to shift, press the shift every time. And adjust the size. Then insert a shape, line, Then press and hold Shift and draw the line. Double click on this line. So here you will see format shape. Change the line size, color. Adjust cap type. So select rounded like this. So thanks for watching.